Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri again. Welcome back to another video to open up your upper back. So I already posted a part 1 video. If you not yet seen that video, so just see that video. The link is down in the description box. Let us begin today's video. So as I told you before, opening the upper back is very important task. So we need to practice daily to open up the upper back. So make sure your body should be nicely warm up before moving to the stretches. Let us move to the stretches. Before moving to the video, if you not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and click a bell icon. Let's begin today's topic. Now slowly sit in any comfortable posture. Raise your hands up sideways. Now slowly inhale. Raise your chest and hands back. Exhale and relax. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just open your chest as much as possible. Push your hands back. Count one more. Hold there. Raise your chest. Head up. And down. Very good. Relax. Just make your shoulder rotation. And relax. Opposite 3 circle. 1, 2, and relax. Very good. Come on, let us move to the next stretch. Now slowly from table, walk your knee one step back, walk your palms one step forward. Now slowly press your chest down and up. Down and up. So move down as much as possible. Just breathe normal. Don't hold your breath. Come, let us do few more movement up and down. Very good. Last one more. Slowly down and stay there. Slowly come up and relax. Rest in Sirasasana for a while. Slowly come up. Yes. Now slowly let us use the brick for the next stretch. Now slowly place your bricks like this. So very nice grippable brick is very comfortable. So compared to wooden brick, this will be a bit comfortable for you. Now slowly place your elbows or bicep to the brick like this way. And slowly press your chest down. Interlock your fingers at the back. Press and up and down movement like this. Hold. Stretch your hands forward. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5 more count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly adhere and relax. For next stretch, so we are going to use the chair. Around us there will be many things. For example, chair and the wall. We can use that for a nice stretch. So let me show first how to use the chair for open up the upper back. Now slowly, this kind of chair is literally quite helpful for you to use. So now slowly come up. Place your palms at the edge of the chair like this. Take a nice distance between the chair and your hands. Now slowly inhale and exhale slowly down. Try to press down as much as possible. Let your abdomen touch to your thigh. Now slowly come up and down. Slowly up and down. Slowly up. Very good. Stay here. So this simple holding posture, so it makes your shoulder flexible. Slowly down. Stay there comfortably. Hold the pose. Just feel a nice stretch on your back and on your front part of your chest. Enjoy. Slowly come up and relax. Very good. Relax. For next stretch, just stand the chair like this way and place your palm on the chair, the topper part of the chair like this. Take a 1 arm distance between your body and the chair. Now slowly same movement we are going to do, but little length. Okay, there will be a lot of distance when you make a different kind of stretch to your body. Now slowly move down. So see, the posture will be completely changed. Slowly up, down, up, down. The elbows should be straighter, don't bend your elbows. So if your elbows are bending, just use the straps for that. Now slowly up. Come on, one more, stay there. Just hold the pose comfortably, breathe normal. Just notice where is stretch, where is pain, everything you should notice while you're doing some different kind of stretch. Now slowly come up. Yes, and relax in Sirasasana for a while. Slowly bend down. And slowly come up and relax. Just notice your body. There will be lots of changes in your body. There will be a nice stretch, there will be pain. Just enjoy every moment, whatever happening in your body. Yes, let us move to the next stretch now. Next stretch on the wall. Now slowly come to the wall like this. Place the brick on the wall. There should be nice distance between you. And exhale, slowly bend down. Press your chest as much as possible and stay there. Just keep on doing a movement up and down and feel a nice stretch on your lower back. Feel a nice stretch on your upper back and on your chest as well. Just hold the pose as long as possible comfortably and stay there. Now slowly, after a nice stretch, rest in Sirasasana for a while. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. So let us practice every day. Let us become flexible. Let us become healthy and fit and fine. See you on next video. Till then, take care and be happy. Namaste.